Hello guys, today I'm going to show you this beautiful soup which is known as avgalamino. This is a Greek soup, very famous. See how creamy this is. People say this comes into the top 5 soups in the world which taste fantastic. So this is made with rice, chicken stock and lemon juice. So let's quickly learn how to make avgalamino. So to make this soup, what all do we need is, we need some chicken stock. You can see I have made some chicken stock in advance. Some onion, celery, carrots, egg yolk, lemon juice, salt, pepper, rice and chicken cubes. So how I'm going to make this soup is, I'm going to show it to you step by step. So I'm going to temper this soup twice. Once I'm going to boil the rice with the chicken stock. Over here you can see I have some rice. I'm going to put this rice in the chicken stock and I'm going to put this for boiling. This will take roughly 15 to 10 minutes for the rice to completely cooked, and that is how my soup will also get starch and will gain body. In the meantime, when the rice is boiling, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you in the next. Okay, in the meantime, when the rice is boiling along with the chicken, or along with in the chicken stock, I'm going to add in another pot a little bit of oil, and I will start to saute the vegetables which I'm going to put in this soup. This soup is made by very less ingredients, but this is one of the best soup. The soup which tastes best in the world. In some books they say this comes in the top 5 best tasting soups in the world. Avgalamino. Okay, so the meaning is chicken which is rice which is cooked in chicken stock, served with vegetables and eggs. So once the oil is heated up, I'm going to throw in the onions. Alright, once the onions start to saute, I'm going to add the celery, the carrots. I've cut all the vegetables into dices, as you can see. Also, I would be adding, I've cut some chicken breast into cubes and I'll continue to saute. What you can also do is you can cook your chicken along with the stock, but in this case I had stock which I had already made in advance. So I'm giving this recipe a little twist in which I'm sauteing the vegetables and the chicken together in a different pan, and then I would be adding the liquid, that is chicken stock, and the rice in this pan. Okay, one important step that is done to make this soup is tempering of the chicken stock and the egg yolk. Now what this will do is, this will provide creaminess to the soup. So I'll just wait till the time the chicken has been sauteed and the rice has been boiled perfectly in the stock, and then I would be mixing the two. Over here I have some egg yolk to which I am adding the lemon juice. That is why this soup is also known as avgalamino, because it says rice, chicken and lemon. I will be mixing it. And now I'll be adding a little bit of chicken stock to this, so that we have a perfect mixture and not a scrambled egg. What I'll be doing now is, I'll be adding the chicken stock in which the rice has been boiling. And I'll leave this for boiling till the rice are completely cooked. Okay, so what I have done here is I have boiled the chicken stock and rice in a separate pan, and I sauteed the vegetables, the chicken in a separate pan, and then when my rice was almost 80% done, I mixed the liquid into the mixture of vegetables and chicken. Now I am giving it a final boil till the vegetables become tender and the rice is perfectly cooked, and then I am going to add the last step, which is the beaten egg yolk with the lemon juice, which is going to give sourness to my soup. Okay. Okay, now that the soup has completely cooked, the rice has been cooked, the vegetables are still tender. Now what few people do is they take half of the soup and they put it in a mixer and make a fine puree to give body to the soup. Otherwise, what else you can do is you just, with the back of a ladle, you just press it. So the rice gets mashy and it becomes starchy. At this stage also, I would like to add the mixture of egg yolk and lemon juice that I have made. This will make the soup even more creamy, and I would also be adjusting the seasoning by adding salt and pepper, and I would be boiling the soup for another 5 minutes. I'll have to be careful here because I have added egg, so I don't want to eat scrambled egg, I want to eat soup. You see immediately that the texture of the soup, the consistency of the soup has changed, the color of the soup has changed. 5 minutes more of boiling time, and then I would be ready to plate this. So finally plating, the soup has come to a boil. I'm going to pour in the soup into a soup bowl. See how creamy, simple lemon chicken and rice soup. Not much of ingredients needed to make the soup, and I can promise you this tastes heavens. Okay, avgalamino, the Greek soup, very popular in Greece, and I present to you very simple garnish with some parsley on top. Avgalamino.